Okay, so look at my beautiful washer. Nothing wrong with it. Yeah, we're gonna try to replace this lid. It's an LG. I don't think this just blew up like this. I'm guessing one of my kids tried to get up there or something, or maybe it was Scout. I don't know, but somebody cracked this or something. I don't know. But here's the model number of the washer. WT7800CW. And this is the model number of the lid, WT5001CW. They look pretty much the same, so I'm hoping this fits. Now, to do this, some of you lucky people, you're able to put like a putty knife in here, and there's little clips that you push in, and then you like put the putty knife in there, you push it in, and then you lift up. I don't think mine does this. There should be like a clip here or here. Mine isn't that cool. So what I have to do is lose weight, first of all. Second of all, come in here in the back. And so we're up here. Pretty sure I got to take this screw out. And then if we go to the other side, there's another one too, right there. I think I got to take those two screws out, and then what I'm going to do is I can lift this up and push it out. And then I think that'll take this off, so I'll be able to then access the lid hinges and such. So that's what I'm going to do, and we'll see if that works. Okay, got the screws out. Now, I'm pretty sure if we take a look, this is kind of coming off. And so is it over here. So I'm just going to lift up on both sides and then push out that way. Wish me luck. Here we go. All right, it worked. And it actually wasn't too hard. When I lifted it up and I pushed forward, it just slid right out. But now we can see that we have like this and these right here. I think basically what we need to do is make sure this kind of goes under here so we can then like lift this up. It's basically going to be kind of like hinges. So I'm going to go to the front and I'm going to kind of lift this up and make sure that these kind of go under here so I can then kind of lift it up and see what I have going on under there. Okay, got it. So you can see that how those are, you know, you can see where the thing is here. And I just kind of made sure that those are right there so I can kind of push it. Be careful with this line. Obviously you don't want to snap anything, but what I'm going to do here is this is what I want. Basically what I need to do is get this out, because what this is doing is it's just spring loaded and it gets pushed in to the door. And I basically need to get this to go that way so I can get it out of the door. And once I do that, I should be able to just pull the door out. So I'm going to try some pliers, see if I can just kind of, you know, grab the pliers to kind of pinch it and then just move it out. That's what I'm going to try to do. So let you know how that goes. Okay, so I got it. Because it was breaking, my thing is just like falling apart. Like the glass right there, I ended up just taking out. But what I was able to do is, you can see, hopefully, I was just able to take my needle nose pliers and just kind of move it back like that. And then once I was able to do that, you can see right here, right, it comes out of the thing, and then you're able to just kind of pull the whole thing out. So I'm gonna do that. This thing is like totally falling apart. But over there, right, that one isn't spring loaded or anything. That's just gonna come out. So you can just pull that out. Do that. yeah, I'm gonna need more than, well, I guess that's out, so I can just let that go. And then, let's see if we can get this out. That was awesome, but yeah, it just pulls out. So anyways, to put the new one in, it's just gonna be the same thing. I'm just gonna push that back and put the new one in. And so you'll wanna put the thing in there first, right? And then we'll pull that back with the knees and those pliers, and then it should just go in. But that'll be the next thing we do. Okay, probably not gonna be able to video this whole thing, but just so we can see it. So I got that up. Got the new one coming in here. Right, and we're just gonna put it in that hole. And then of course move that back to where it can go into there. So, all right, here we go. I'm gonna try to do it. One thing I want to mention, this is the old one that busted off, but you can see the shape and then the shape of that. And, you know, obviously they need to match up. And I'm guessing it's just because it kind of helps. It's like spring loaded. It just helps it go up, I think, easier when it needs to. So it's looking like with this new one, Alright, kind of the same thing. So when I put it in, we're gonna need to have it, you know, straight up like that so it'll fit in that hole. Here we go. Well, it fit in real easy on that side. Now it's just a matter of doing what I did before, taking the pliers, pulling it out, and just getting it to fit in that hole. Okay, this is semi-annoying. You can see that I don't have it all the way yet, but you can see that I have it close. Right, you can see that it's right there. It's stuck in between these now. But what I did is I had to grab this all the way over, as close as I could get over there. And then I moved it over here, and that gave me enough space to get it kind of stuck right there. So now all I need to do, right, is just grab it really wherever I want to, there or there, and just pull it out the rest of the way, and then it should slide in. Yeah, there we go. So I was able to take these, you know, kind of go under there, grab it, pull it out the rest of the way, and then it slid in real nice like. So, oh, and by the way, I just put some stuff over there. This is kind of a poor man's jack, I guess. I don't know. So now we're just going to reverse it. I know that these right here go in there, right? So that one here is going to go in there. And another telltale sign whether you're going to have the clips or not is just when this was on, I was able to look underneath and I was just able to see these screws. And that kind of told me that, hey, there's no clips under here. I was going to have to do those 2 screws and push forward. So something to look at. Okay, so going to remove that. We'll put it down. We'll push it back. And then, geez, all we'll have to do is put the screws on. So here we go. Another thing I didn't mention was we got that right there needing to go into that hole as well. And we got the other one over there. So this is gonna be fun trying to line everything up. Here we go. Okay, looks like I might have lied a little bit. So once you get those where they're supposed to go, once we push it back, the hole right now is about right there. So when we push it back, the hole will move and then hopefully it'll go in there. So I have that lined up. And I got that one lined up as well. So now Right there. All I should have to do is just like push back, hopefully. We'll try. Man, I just like lying to you guys. So back here, got to make sure that these aren't behind here. That was my problem. So I lifted this, brought it back a little bit. So kind of similar thing before, right? We're gonna have to lift this up a little bit, pull back, and then hopefully everything will get into place. Oh yeah, we're gonna get it this time. Heck yeah, we got it. It's now sitting nice and snug. Booyah. So of course, last part, grab these dang screws, put them there and there, and then go brag to the wife and show her how manly you are. Ooh, that sounded weird. I mean, this used one was 75 bucks. What's crazy is that one was it's the cheapest used one I could find. But, hey, this is a lot nicer than that. So, anyways, hope that helped someone out there. Good luck. And if it sounds like I'm out of breath, I am, because I'm fat. All right, have a good day. Bye.